lots of a chicken. For chicken is a friend, we'll see you to the end. Ow! Well, I'll use my cut. It is the only one I'll get. And then I'll do it fresh, because we only just met. Something else that rhymes with net.
But how long can we keep this up? Can we keep this up? Keep this up!